Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olavo Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Galaxy Watch 4. And I'll be talking more about it right after this. Hey, before I get started, if you like this content, if you find it helpful or entertaining, please give this video a like by mashing that thumbs up button. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to continuously receive content like this by hitting that subscribe and that notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, today we're going to talk about the Galaxy Watch 4, and this one is the 44mm size. Now you can get them in two different sizes, either the 44mm size or the 40mm size. All right, now the 44mm size comes in three different colors. You can get it in the silver, you can get it in black, or you can get it in green. Now if you go for the 40mm size, you can get it in those three colors I just mentioned and also pink. All right, so keep that in mind, depending on what color you want or the size. All right, and besides that, just want to talk over some quick specs. All right, so the screen size for the 44mm is 1.4 inches, and for the smaller one is 1.2 inches. All right, or should I say the 40mm is 1.2 inches. Okay, now the battery size for the larger one is 361 milliamps, whereas the smaller one, 247 milliamps. All right. And again, the new Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic is Wear OS and is powered by Samsung. So the first Samsung smartwatch that has Wear OS on it. So something new to look forward to. Now, as far as the RAM, it's 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, and then as far as internal memory, it's 16 gigabytes. All right, pretty cool. You can get this in two different versions. You can get it either in the LTE version, or you can get it in Bluetooth. This one happens to be the Bluetooth model. All right, and there's all types of sensors that's built into this. All right, that measures your heart, measures your sleeping pattern, and even your body composition. So, ton of sensors that's built into this new one. The body composition is the new one for this year, or for this model. So something, again, to look forward to. And it's rated IP68 water and dust resistant. So no problems with having this around the beach, the pool, having it submerged in water in 5 feet up to 30 minutes. No worries there at all. So pretty solid built. You can activate the assistant. And with that stated, just wanted to cover over some quick highlights. And with that out the way, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Okay, slide this off. Open this up really quick. Actually, I'm going to open it from the bottom. Slide this out here, which is going to have a charge cradle. So you would just drop the watch on top of this. You don't have the plug. Now it doesn't come with the plug, but you can get a plug that plugs into this type A, so that way this can be charged up. Then when you drop your watch on here, it will just start charging. All right, so just to get that out the way. And then the last thing we have in here, it's just some material. Like, actually, let me try to get it from this angle. So you have the quick start guide. All right, not gonna need this. Get this out the way. Get all this stuff out the way. Let's take a look at the watch. All right, here we go. Really nice. And again, as you can see, these bands are swappable with a quick release pins. All right, so you can always switch these out. Again, this is the 44mm size watch. And if you want to do a quick comparison, this is the Active 2, 44mm. And as you can see there, same size. Let's check out the thickness. Let's see here. Actually, let me turn it this way so you can look at it better. Let's see. There it is. So, yeah, pretty close, but this one is a little thinner, as you can see. Take a look at this side. Buttons are different, as you can see there. Watch 4, Active 2. All right. So, with that stated, let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Just pushing both of these buttons down. Get it turned on. And while this is powering up, if you were wondering where the speaker is, you can look closely here. See if I get a better focus. You see them right here. 1, 2. All right. And you can see the mic over here. There's a little hole right here. All right. So yes, you can speak to it. All right. Setup process is quite simple. It tells you what you need to do. Swipe up. All right. If you need to change the language, tap language. I'll leave it on English. And then jump right to this app. Now this app is available in the Google Play Store in case you didn't have it installed previously from a previous generation. So you would just search for the Galaxy Wearable app in the Play Store to get this installed. Now, I believe this is not compatible with iOS, all right, just Android. And you have to have at least Android 6 or higher in order to have this linked up to your device, all right? So let's jump to the phone. As you can see there, as soon as I had the app installed, it was already on this Fold 3, but once it's already installed on here, it's going to automatically pick it up once it's powered on. Really simple. Let's hit start. Go through this process real quick. Very simple. All right, confirm. All right, so let this finish. It's gonna be pulling the backup from the previous Active 2 watch, and then I will jump right back to the screen to show you where we are. Actually, let me go ahead and do this. I normally do go through this process. I try to make my videos a little short, but it shouldn't take that long. So I normally leave this off. I don't like enabling that, so just tap agree. Yes. Tap OK. Give that permission. Permission. Allow. Okay. Again, I normally turn this off. You can leave it on if you want to. I don't like that on either. That's fine. Continue. All right, let it do its thing. All right, almost done there. This is the only part that's different versus setting up the Galaxy Watch 3 and some of the older versions there, because again, this is Wear OS versus Tizen. So this is the part that's different than the previous versions, like the Galaxy Watch 3 and the older versions, because it didn't ask for the Google account to choose. It was actually for your Samsung account. So that's the reason why I decided to show these screens. And now, as you can see here, it's asking me, do I want to restore And as you can see here, it's complete. Very, very easy and quick. Of course, here you can see the watch face that it comes with by default. You can look at the different watch settings. You know, this is all from the wearable app. All right. Pretty cool. And you have the store down here, which takes you to the Play Store. But this is all for watch apps. So different than what the previous experience was with Tizen, which is definitely cool. Let's look at the watch. Get a better focus here. Tap start. Go through these different screens. Swipe up. All right. Down. This way. Tap. Swipe. Home button. Boom. But if you touch around the bezel, just like I'm doing here, you get that feedback and it treats it like the rotating bezel, which is pretty cool. All right, so just put your finger here and just swipe or slide around. Pretty cool. All right, and it definitely feels nice. Swipe down here, you have your settings. Swipe up, you can see your different apps. First, the main one that's here is the Play Store. All right, take note of that. And then you have, go this way. Start off here. Daily activity. Body composition. So this is a nice one, a new addition. Different exercises or different coach exercises. Let's see here. All right, you're going to give that permissions. And let's just slide over here, step this way. See the different exercises. And you can add more. Slide down this way. Pretty cool. All right. So all in all, definitely nice. I know my wife is definitely looking forward to testing this out and using this. All right. And let's see. There's one other one. Testing this out as well. And then also taking a look at this. And of course you can also, like this way, you have your heart rate, stress, it can measure your stress level. You can add more. All right, so different options here. Like, you want to add the music or track controller, you can. All right, and then if you want to look at different watch faces, you can press down here. Different watch faces there. Probably set one for my wife right now. Let's see. Maybe this one. It's pretty cool. All right. And there's also a ton of other watch faces you can see here. You go into the wearable app and tap on watch faces right here. So these are the ones that we were just looking at the top. And you have some that's down here, the classic ones. All right, so many options. And you can also download more. You know what I mean? I know she probably would like this one too. Just tap that, tap install. It starts to download. And you can also get more by tapping here. It takes you to the Play Store. All right, I'm gonna do a quick side-by-side with the Galaxy Watch Classic and the Watch 4. All right, there you go. All right, you can see that the Watch 4 Classic is a bit thicker. It definitely weighs a little bit more, but both options are dope. All right, both options are definitely dope. So it really depends on which one you want to get. All right. So if you're interested in the Galaxy Watch 4, I will have a link posted in the description for you. And this completes my unboxing for the Galaxy Watch 4 44mm size. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.